Okay, let's begin this exercise. Exercise 14D, page number 199, maths. On today's 13, 26. Well, question number 1 is MCQ type question. So question A is the equation of a line with x intercept 5 and y intercept also 5. First you try to understand how it looks. Suppose this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. Fine. Now see, the question says x-intercept is 5. It means on x-axis I have got a point which is 5 units from y-axis. From this axis it is 5 units. Then similarly they say that I have got y-axis, y-intercept on y-axis is 5. It means that another point which is at a 5 units from the origin or from the x-axis. Now let us combine these two and make a line through it. Okay. Now what could be these points? This point should be 0, 5 and this one could be 5, 0. Fine. Now you know what is the intercept form? Hmm? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the y intercept form or intercept form. Okay. Now to find this, what you can do? Either you find m first. What is the formula of m? M formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here I am clearly telling you, let us take this as x1 y1 and take this as x2 y2. Fine. Now applying the formula, y2 is 0 minus y1 is 5 over what is x, x2, x2 is 5 minus 0. So you got minus 5 over 5 and you cancel it, you find it as minus 1. Therefore slope m is minus 1. Slope m is minus 1. Done till here? Any problem? Now therefore y equal to mx plus c. C is already known as what? Y intercept. Y intercept. Now putting these values, y equal to m is minus 1. What is x? X is nothing but x plus 5. So it implies that y equal to minus x plus 5. In the next step you can write it as y plus x is equal to 5, or by rearranging you can write as x plus y equal to 5. So this is the final answer that you can write. Now there is also one of the alternative method which can save your time. Okay, so you can also write intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Here Your points A and B are, here A is 5 and B is also 5. This is what x intercept, and this B is again also y intercept. So if I put these two in the equation, x upon 5 plus y upon 5 equal to 1, it becomes easy. Take the LCM, write x plus y equal to 1, do cross multiply, x plus y equal to 5. So in this way also you can do. So this is the alternative solution, okay, that I have marked with the blue. This is the alternative solution, right? So it's your choice, both of you look properly. It's your choice how you want to write. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take it. Otherwise, move to the next easy question, that is B part. Well, coming to the B part, page number 199, the question is the inclination of a line which is not passing through origin is 1. Its intercept with both axes are, options are given here. First one is equal, B option is having same sign, having same sign. C option is there, equal in magnitude. With opposite sign. D option is not equal. Try to understand the question. The inclination means they are telling about slope. You can also write here slope. The inclination of a line which is not passing through origin. Origin means the point 0, 0. Okay. It means that they try to say, if these are the coordinate axes, okay, suppose this is y and this is x, y-axis and x-axis. Fine. Well, it's is 1. What is 1? The slope is 1. The slope is 1. Right? This line is not passing through the origin, but the slope is 1. Now, its intercept with both the axes. It means that they're asking, in fact, they are telling that there is a line which is passing like this. Okay. And they want to know its what? Intercepts with both the axes are they equal, or they have same sign, or they have equal magnitude but opposite sign? Well, everybody knows that the slope m is nothing but tan theta. Okay, now if tan theta is 1, so using the trigonometry I can say that tan theta is equal to tan 45, which implies that theta is 45. Okay, but you can see that if theta is 45, it means that the slope is 1. Simple. Fine. But here intercepts are 2. One is x, another is y. So the inclination is tan theta. So m is 1, but m is not equal to 0. This is also the fact. M is not equal to 0. So it means that the line is not passing through this origin. It is not passing through this origin. Okay. So it must cross both the axes. A line of slope 1 has. So it means that this line should have a form y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx plus c. And when you put the value of m as 1, this is x plus c. Y is equal to x plus c. Okay. Now for the line x-intercept is, if you see for this line, this is interesting, but you should know the whole theory behind that. Well, if you see that x-intercept, what is the x-intercept here? X-intercept must be minus y, or you can say that minus c. And y-intercept? Y-intercept is plus c in this equation. Okay, so one is plus, one is minus. So it means that it can happen only if I take the option C. So the correct option is option C. Okay, read again this question. No need to hurry. The inclination means the slope of a line which does not pass through the origin is 1. Its intercept with both axes are equal, or having same sign, or having equal in magnitude with opposite sign are not equal. So you look at this. Their slope is m, that is tan theta. Tan theta is 1, it means theta is 45. Well, m is also not 0, it is not passing through this point. So you know that the intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. If I put m as 1, I get y is equal to x plus c. So this equation, in this equation, if I find the x intercept, that must be minus c. But if I find y intercept, that is c. That is c plus c. So one is positive, one is negative, but both are having same magnitude c. So the option is equal in magnitude with opposite sign. Hope you understood this question. Now move to the next. Question number C. Question number C. The line passing through point, the line passing through point 1 comma 1 and making y intercept equal to 3 has equation. So options are given here. So many options are given. Okay. So need not to look at the option because you have to solve this question. There is a line which is passing through these 2 points and making a y-intercept that is equal to what? 3. So simply you can apply directly the formula. Here you can write given. You can mention here given points are 1 comma 1 and y intercept is 3. Okay. So the y-intercept is 3 and the points are this. So you know the intercept form is intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now here already this thing, the y-intercept, this is nothing but this is c. Now putting this value here, y equal to, and x and y is 1 1. X and y is 1 1. So instead of y, I must put here 1. M, x is also 1. Here it is x and y plus 3. So m plus 3, it implies m equal to 1 minus 3. M is nothing but minus 2. So here the slope is minus 2. Here the slope is minus 2. Now if you write this equation, y equal to mx plus c. Now putting the value, y is y, m is minus 2x, and c is nothing but 3. So this must be the answer. Okay, so the option is third one. You can check in your book, both of you. Fine. Now let us move to the D part. D part. It's D part. Now equation of a line passing through the intersection of the line x minus y equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 0 with inclination 45 is dash. Four options are given here, but we have to solve this. So try to understand the question first. Equation of a line passing through the intersection of the line this and this. It means that suppose there are two lines, one is red and another is gray. Okay, so one of the line, okay, so this is what the point of intersection. This is what point of intersection. Now first we need to find the point of intersection of both these lines, this one and this one. Okay, so given x minus y equal to 3, let it be the first equation, x plus y equal to 0 be the second equation. Why don't we add them? Let us add them. So when you add, you find this y is cancelled out, x plus x is 2x equals 3. Okay, then x comes out to be 3 over 2, or I can say it as 1.5. Fine. Now the equation of a line passing through the intersection point. Excuse me. So the line which will pass from this point like this, okay, it will pass through this point, the point of intersection. It would have a slope. What? It would have a slope. Okay. Now inclination is already given. This is 45. So the slope m is equal to tan theta. That is tan 45. So m equal to 1. Here I have found m is what? 1. Okay. One more thing. When you are finding here the value of x, you found the value of x. Immediately you find the value of y. I'm doing it here on the right hand side. I can put x is equal to 1.5 in equation number 2. So 1.5 plus y equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1.5. So I've got the value of x and y. This is x, this is y, and this is m. Now it is easy for me to write the equation of the line. Okay, so the equation of line is given by y minus, because it is passing through the point, so y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Well, now y minus, what are the points? This is y1 is how much? Minus 1.5 equals, what is m? M is 1, x minus x1. Okay, that is 1.5. Always use bracket so that your answer is error free. Okay, x minus 1.5. So now transporting them, y minus x, y minus x is equal to minus 1.5 and again minus 1.5. Why? Because this term has been shifted to other side and this x has been shifted to other side. So their sign will interchange. Now rearranging it, now multiply throughout minus 1, x minus y equals 3. This is what the final answer. Now I hope you would have understood this question well. You can take the screenshot. Fine. Now let us move into the E part. E part is the last part of this question number first. Okay. Now see, line, a line cuts equal intercept. Okay. With positive direction of both axes. Both axes means x and y, and passes through the point 6, 6. The equation of line is, I don't know. I have to find. Okay. So for this question, try to understand a line cuts equal intercept with both the positive direction of axis and passing through this. Well, so here you can say that the intercept form when it passes through 6, 6 must be y is equal to mx plus c, equal intercepts with positive direction. So if I put here uh, equal intercept means the m should be 1, I think so. M should be 1, right? Or I can say that I don't know about the intercept. Okay, let the intercept be, for y it is a, okay, and for x also it is a, suppose. Okay, so now using another form like x over a plus y over a, this is also the intercept form, fine, is equals to 1. So now a is the LCM here. I can say x plus y equal to 1. Do cross multiplication. You found here x plus y equal to a. Now I already know this is x and this is y. I can put here 6 plus 6 equal to a. So a comes out to be 12. Now I can put here 12. I can put here 12. So I get x plus y is equals to 12. This is what your slope intercept form. Okay. So this is the final answer for this question. I hope you have understood well. The main thing that you have to focus in this question is the line cut equal intercepts, but they have not given the intercepts. So when they are not providing you the intercept, you have to let the intercept be a, and it is equal, so it mentioned only one time. Then you can write this form here like this and put here a value as LCM as a, cross multiply, find a, then put these 2 points here, 6 plus 6 equal to, you get a as 12. Then you put here and the final answer is in front of you. Okay. Now let us go to the question number 2. Question number 2. Find the slope and y-intercept of the line. There some parts are given. Y equal to 4. Second part is ax minus by equal to 0. Third part is 3x minus 4y equal to 5. Read the question again, try to understand. Find the slope, one of the thing is slope, and y-intercept of the line. So y-intercept is, you know very well what is y-intercept. They're talking about C. And they're asking you slope, it means that they're talking about M. So try to convert each of them, okay, in slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now, in the first part, if you look here, in the first part, your y is 4. Your y is 4. Or I can write as, my equation is y equal to 4. Or I can write it as y is equal to 0x. Okay. 0x plus 4. This thing you have to understand. Some of the students will do a very big mistake. They will directly put here 4 like you did today. Okay, you're putting any of the value anywhere, so you're not supposed to do that. Fine. Who did this? Yeah, understood. Now see here, comparing with y equal to mx plus c, we get c as 4 and m as 0. You can see here clearly m equal to 0 and c equal to 4. Okay, so I got both the answers because two things are demanded, slope as well as y-intercept. So this is what? Nothing but y-intercept. I think first part is clear to you. Moving to the next, B part. B part. Yes. So the B part I have got ax minus by equal to 0. I would like to convert it into y is equal to mx plus c form. So I write ax equal to by. I shifted this to the other side. Or I can say that by is equal to ax plus 0. In another, y is equal to ax over b plus 0 over b. This is again a huge problem for some of the students to understand why I am writing this. I can write it y is equal to ax plus 0 over b. B was here initially, so it goes here. So in the other step, it becomes, now I separate it. So this is what? Now comparing with comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. So you see here, this portion is called m and this portion will become 0. So this would be c. So I am writing here, we get m is equal to a over b and c is equal to 0. I hope you would have understood. Moving to the next, third part. 3x minus 4y equal to 5. Now you can write it as other way, that 3x minus 5 equal to 4y. Now you can write it as 4y equal to 3x minus 5. Now again same problem, so I will not skip the step because you will say, sir, you have done directly. I never do anything directly. I take steps. Now comparing with y equal to mx plus c, we get, compare, right, mx equal to 3 by 4x, x cancelled out, m is 3 by 4, then c is nothing but minus 5 by 4. So this c is the answer and this m is the answer. So I hope till here it is clear to you. Now take the screenshot. Now let us see the question number 3. Question number 3. Yeah, the equation of a line is x minus y equal to 4. Find its slope and y-intercept. Two things you have to find here. Then three things. Also find its inclination. Inclination means the angle. Okay. Now to do such a question, the very first thing is you must write given equation of line, that is x minus y equal to 4. You can write it as other ways, x minus 4 equal to y, or y is equal to 1x minus 4. Now comparing it with y equal to mx plus c, we get, we can write here directly, m is 1 and c is minus 4. Okay. Now till here any doubt? The equation of line, this, find its slopes. Okay, slope is clear, slope is 1, and y-intercept is minus 4. Yes or no? Till here, tell me. X minus y is 4. It's given here. So you rewrite it. You rewrite it. Okay. Y-intercept. Yes. Now inclination. Let us find the inclination. inclination tan theta is equal to m. So we write tan theta equal to 1. Then again tan theta equal to tan 45. Write down LCL, left cancellation low, and theta is 45. So this is what? 45. Mhm. So I have successfully found it. This is inclination, this is slope, and this is y-intercept. So this is all that you have to do up to question number 3. Now moving to the question number 4. Question number 4. First part is the line 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 perpendicular to the line 28x minus 21y plus 50 equal to 0. Nice question. They're asking if they both are perpendicular. So we need to find their slopes and we have to multiply them. If their product is minus 1, means if m1 into m2 is minus 1, it means they are perpendicular, otherwise they're not. So given 3x plus 4y plus 7 equals 0. So I can write it as 4y equal to minus 3x minus 7. Y equal to minus 3 by 4x minus 7 by 4. So here this blue one thing is my slope. Therefore I can write here, therefore m1 is minus 3 by 4. Similarly, from equation 28x minus 21y plus 50 equal to 0, we have, I am transporting y that side, okay, so that it becomes easy. It will become 21y equals 28x plus 50. In the next step, I'm going to write y equals 28 over 21 x plus 50 over 21. Now here m comes out to be this blue one part, okay, by comparing with imx y is equal to mx plus c. Fine. 28 over 21, you know the table of 7, 7 threes are 7 fours are, all right. So here I can say, oh, 7 threes are, I've done wrong, it is 7 threes are, this is suppose m2. Now m1 multiply m2 should be minus 1. Let us see, m1 is minus 3 by 4, multiply by 4 over 3 equals minus 1. 3 to 3 cancel, 4 to 4 cancel. I can say that minus 1 equal to minus 1. It means that left hand side equals right hand side. Hence, true. That is, lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now see the second part of this question. Moving fast. Yeah. Question number 4, part 2. Is the line is the line x minus 3y equal to 4 perpendicular to the line 3x minus y equals 7. Similarly, how to do here? First, you have to write here given x minus 3y equal to 4. Then from here I can write x minus 4 equal to 3y, or 3y equal to x minus 4, or I can write here y equal to x over 3 minus 1 over 3. That is m equal to, or m1 equal to 1 by 3. I have founded m1. Similarly, I can do here for the second equation, 3x minus y equal to 7. Shift y that side, 3x minus 7 equals y, or you can say that y equal to 3x minus 7. Therefore, m2 is 3. Now, yeah, m1 multiply m2, it should be minus 1, minus 1, putting their values 1 over 3, multiply 3. Look, 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, I can say that no lines are not perpendicular. Okay, lines are not perpendicular to each other. Now let us see the third part. Yeah. So is the line 3x plus 2y equal to 5 parallel, very good, to the line x plus 2y equal to 1. Okay, so third part, given 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Writing it again like, or 2y equal to minus 3x plus 5. Or you can write it as y equal to minus 3 by 2, dividing both the side by this, because it will go here, then after that it will go here also, so it will become this. Therefore, m is equal to, only just by looking you can say that m is minus 3 by 2. Alright, so this is about the first equation. Also, x plus 2y equal to 1, that is 2y equal to minus x plus 1, y equals to minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2. Therefore, I must mention the names as m1, m2. So that is minus half, minus half. Okay, so now m1 is not equal to m2. Therefore, This is a third part, no? Yeah. Therefore, lines are lines are not parallel. That's all. Moving to the next part, fourth part. Yes. Determine x so that the slope of the line through a 1 comma 4 and x comma 2 is 2. Very good. We have to find the x so that the line already given, slope is given here. So what is given here? Slope m is 2 and points are 1 comma 4 and x comma 2. It means that you must be aware of them. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Therefore m formula, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It implies that 2 is the slope. What is y2? Y2 is 2 minus, use always bracket. What is y1? This is 4 over x2. This is x. And what is x1? That is 1. Use brackets. Now, what you can do here is, you can simply, in the next step, you can write 2 equals 2 minus 4 over x minus 1. In the next step, this 2 will get multiplied, means it will go here in the cross. X minus 1 equals 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now this is 2x minus 2 equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 2. 2x is equal to 0. In the next step, x is equal to 0 by 2. Therefore, x is 0. I think you understand this question well. Can take the screenshot, no problem. Now, let us move to the question number 5. Question number 5. Yes, find the slope of the line which is parallel to, the first part is x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. We need to find the slope of a line which is parallel to this line. So it means both the lines have same slope, because in the case of parallel the slope is same. That's very simple. Second part is also there. I must mention here only x over 2 minus y over 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now let us do the first part. Now first, here I can write it as 2y equal minus x minus 3, then y equal to minus 1 over 2 x and minus 3 over 2. So this blue one thing is the slope. Therefore, m is equal to minus half. This is the slope of the line, the same line also, and the line which is parallel to it. Now here, what you can do, first you put here 1, okay, and better you take the LCM. This is 6, so this is 3x minus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Cross multiply, it becomes a 0. I'll get minus 2y plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Now, if I throw y that side, I'll get 2y equal to 3x minus 6. In the next step, you write y as 3 over 2 minus 6 over 2. Cancel it, it will become 3. So this blue one thing, sorry, ये black कैसे हो गया? Yeah, this blue one thing, is the slope. Therefore, slope m is 3 by 2. That's what you have to do. Okay. Keep matching your answers. If you find anything, you can directly WhatsApp me. Fine. With the screenshot so that we can do correction later on. Now let us moving to the question number 6. Question number 6. Find the slope of the line. Yeah, slope of the line which is perpendicular to the following. The first is x minus y over 2 plus 3 equal to 0, and the second is x over 3 minus 2y equals 4. Now you see, first of all we have to find the slope of the same line. So here I can write x plus 3 equal to y by 2. Do here multiply, it will do multiplication with both. It is 2x plus 6 equal to y, or you can say y equal to 2x plus 6. So here this blue one thing, comparing with, always mention, comparing with y equal to mx plus c, we get, means you get m equal to 2. Okay. Now when you find m as 2, therefore the other line, the slope of other line, let slope of line perpendicular to it be m1. Now m1 multiply m equals minus 1. Now put the value of m. M is 2. So in the next step, m1 is minus half. So this is the required slope of the line which is perpendicular to it. Fine. Now let us finding the same here. Write down x over 3 minus 4 over 1 equal to 2y. I have done nothing. I have shifted this 2 to the right hand side and this 4 to the left hand side, so that sign gets changed. Okay. Now sending this 2 here, x over 3 into 2 minus 4 over 1 into 2 is equal to y, or you can say that y is equal to x over 6 minus 4 over 2. This cancel out. Again comparing with y equal to mx plus c, we get what we get. We get here, yes, m is equal to 1 over 6. M is 1 over 6. Answer is not 1 over 6. Now let slope of line perpendicular to it be m1. Therefore, you know the formula, m1 into m2, or m is equal to 1 over 6. Oh, sorry, it's minus 1, not 1 over 6. It's minus 1. Now, you know the value of m, that is 6. Now, m1 is minus 1 over 6. This is what your answer is about. So I'm pausing the video here because it has become too big. Till question number 6 I have done both the parts. In the next part I will show you the questions, the rest of the questions. Fine. Till there, enjoy your maths. Have it.